So at AT&T, everyone gets our best deals.
Aren't others doing that?
Others say that, but not everyone gets the best deal. Like, what if I give you a lollipop? Then I give you our best lollipop.
That's not fair.
At AT&T, we think it's only fair that all customers get our best deal. And you get a choice.
Weather Service in Pleasant Hill has issued a tornado warning for Clay County in north central Missouri and northwest Jackson County in north central Missouri until 7:25 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Liberty, moving rapidly southwest at 75 miles per hour. Hazard confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado. Source: weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. This dangerous storm will be near Pleasant Valley around 6:49 p.m. Other locations impacted include Birmingham, Cloud-Como, Gladstone, Kansas City, and Riverbend. Precautionary preparedness actions to repeat: a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows if in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.